Hi traders, and welcome to weekly Forex recap. My name is Nenad, as always, with you. This is standard Monday session recap where we review setups that happened last week, and of course I will present you with new setups. Before we start, have in mind that Forex trading and CFD trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please make sure that you fully understand the risk involved. Forex trading is risky activity, and this is my personal opinion only. These are trading rules, guys. Each week we have same trading rules. You know what they are, so let's not lose time with trading rules. This is the slide, you can see them, and we can actually move on to results. These are results for the last week. Euro dollar position by 35 pips, GBP dollar position by 50 pips, the Australian dollar position sell 70 pips, the dollar CAD was minus 30, and the BTC was 150, and gold didn't qualify. So total pip pool was 275. Trade of the week were the Australian dollar and the BTC dollar. Okay, so these are results. I hope that you made pips with my analysis, and this is now what happened after my last recap. So this was the euro dollar. As you can see, we had a rejection from 12.90 exactly towards 13.25, where the price stalled and then dropped, but this was a rejection of possible 35 pips. Then we had the GBP dollar. The GBP dollar again rejected towards 32, so you could have made some 45, 50 pips. This vertical line represents the time of our webinar. The Australian dollar is, you see, 71.10. This was the trade of the week. The price rejected. It was in the zone and went straight towards our target. The dollar CAD 32.60 was a buy. Sell was 34.00. The price went to a sell position, but it actually didn't drop. It kept going up. So this was a loss. The BTC dollar actually rejected from 37.70, very close to our POC zone. So it made some nice pips to the upside. Finally, the gold, it didn't qualify because none of these levels or the zones were touched. Okay, now guys, setups for this week. Euro dollar downtrend, sell position 12.90, stop loss 13.20, TP 11.90. Alternative buy 11.90, stop loss 11.60, TP 12.50. So this is the euro dollar. I will show you the euro dollar. Just give me a few seconds. We actually have a running euro dollar trade on our live Telegram group, and this is where we went with an entry. However, we already protected scale out 50% of the trade. So if this trade does not proceed further, I would look to sell at 12.90, clear downtrend. And if it doesn't go down, I will sell here. This is where we scaled out. The GBP dollar, this is the GBP dollar. 31.50 is a sell, stop loss 31.80, TP 30.20. Alternative buy 30.20, stop loss 29.90, TP is 31.50. So this is the GBP dollar. If the price is in the zone now, but I would like to see the close of this candle. If it makes a reversal pattern, it would be good to sell it. If it goes straight like this, I would be very careful about shorting the GBP dollar. So I would say 31.50, 31.60, but only if reversal patterns show up around this level. Obviously, this is a selling spot. Here we see historical sellers, also sellers here. So I expect the price again to drop if it gets a little bit higher. But then again, it's better to wait for confirmation. but this could be a sell indeed. Yeah, Ali, I mean, this was obviously a spot where the price should reject it. We didn't see the signal. I did the analysis on FXDD, but we don't see the signal now. But here, if the price starts to reject from this spot, this could be a nice sell. Because here, this is also a Fibonacci, I think. Yeah, it's 88.6, you see? So definitely my favorite number. Better to wait for some reversal pattern. I mean, you can sell it immediately, but it's tricky now. Okay. Next one is the Australian dollar. It's ranging 77 is a sell. Stop loss is 71.10. TP is 70.14. Alternative buy 70.14. Stop loss 69.90. TP 70.70. This is the Australian dollar. So very close here, weekly H3, daily H4. It could start to reject. It's already in the zone, but you see it could actually go here again and then reject. This is inverted head and shoulders, but if it wants to stay bearish, it should definitely reject from this spot here. Dollar CAD. We are in a buy position, 34, stop loss 33.70, TP 35, sell 35, stop loss 35, 30, TP 34.60. Actually, this stop loss, if you add 7 to 10 pips, this is the stop loss. But you need to add 7 to 10 pips always to your stop loss. This is the dollar CAD. I already have some positions, and I can scale in if it drops to 34. This is, you see, a lot of rejections here, and it's still uptrend. So I would like to see a retest of 34.70, at least a retest of 34.70. Even 4-hour time frame is bearish, is bullish. Sorry, you see, big spike, and it should make a retest of this level, 34.60.70. The Bitcoin dollar, downtrend, 39 is sell, stop loss 30 is 40, TP 37.50, alternative buy 37.50, stop 36.50, TP 39. Let me just check something. The Bitcoin dollar, yeah, this is it. 37.50. If it drops, it could be a spike to the upside, but it needs to drop. 37.50. Yeah. Here, close to this zone. This could go up, and this looks like gapped head and shoulders. You see, this could go up. And gold. I didn't make the analysis for gold. I will do it live. I just watched the chart. To me, gold is bearish. But the only sell that I see here, guys, you see now it turned bullish. So I would go to 4-hour time frame and look for a sell. If you want to go with, let's say, intra-week trade. So weekly H3, 1303. And buy is 1278. So 1303, stop loss is 1308, 50 pips. Target price, this is 50 pips actually, guys. Okay. And 1278. This looks like we didn't have retest. Still, it's Monday. Not an ideal day to trade, but then again, if we see a setup, we can try always. And this is the setup for the gold. I will roll slides again. You can ask questions, guys, if you have any. And let's see what we will have. Okay, here, yeah, this is it. Weekly LH3, weekly L3. Okay, this is euro dollar, pound dollar, the Australian dollar, the dollar CAD, the Bitcoin dollar, and the gold. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. This is Camarilla MACD template. I'm trading on it, and basically this is my primary template to trade with. Other pairs are also in some sort of, well, I can say trend. For example, this was also a signal, but I missed it. I would have traded, however, 30 pips. Okay, not that bad because today is Monday, so NFP Monday. Euro yen also can reject again from this zone. The Australian dollar, we covered it. New Zealand dollar is bullish now, so it could go here and make a U-turn. Euro GBP, very, 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 very bearish now. Euro yen covered. GBP yen still bearish. If it makes a U-turn, this will be another leg to the downside, targeting for 145. GBP dollar recovered. GBPUSD. Yeah, sell on a reversal pattern. So I want to see a reversal pattern and then probable sell. A Euro Australian dollar. Again, sell, but it needs to retrace. This is the sell. 59.90, 59.95, 59.85. So this is the zone. Watch for reversal pattern. Australian dollar, New Zealand. Sell, same, close to 1.0365. So this is the sell zone, definitely. It could go up now. It broke weekly L5. Wow, this is very, very well. Let's see. No, it's actually new week. So weekly L3. So it could go here and then reject. I would look for a sell at this spot. Let me just check monthly time frame. Yeah, it looks like it's bearish. Below monthly L3, below. Yeah, definitely bearish. 1 hour is also bearish. So I would sell somewhere around this zone. Looks bearish to me too, yeah. Counter trend trade on Australian dollar, New Zealand. It could be, yes, because you have a divergence, you have a quadruple bottom. So yeah, Ali, I think this could go up. This could be a counter trend trade indeed towards this spot. If you go for a counter trend, this is the target, and close your trade here. Ilya has just joined. Hi, Ilya. Yeah, I showed the results now. I will, guys. Yeah, the only trade that I'm in right now from my ECS live trading group and my actually live trade here on weekly recap is this dollar CAD. I'm long here, so yeah, I still can scale in if it drops, but I have already 2 smaller positions running, and I'm letting the trade run towards the target. This is the target. Okay, I will roll slides again, and yeah. So you can actually see euro dollar, GBP dollar, the Australian dollar, the dollar CAD, the Bitcoin dollar, and the gold. I would, for counter trend trades, I would go with half the risk. When you go counter trend, guys, always half the risk. Yeah, this is my FXDD. You can sign up also, guys, for webinars here on FXDD website. Here, use these web addresses. I also have live trading webinars, educational videos, and live analysis. So yeah, okay, this dollar CAD is trying to go up. Let's see, let's wait. If you have any other questions, guys, just ask. No problems, Ali. So yeah, I don't see any questions. So I guess everything is clear. We covered it all. I hope that we will make money again this week. Be patient, guys. NFP Monday is the first Monday after the NFP, and usually it's a bit slow. So we need to be patient, and you see prices are also slow and ranging. But anyway, guys, thank you for listening. This webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, subscribe and join more live trading webinars. See you very soon, guys. As always, cheers and trade safe.